4 billion years ago, in the silent depths of the universe, a fragment of a planetary core began its incredibly long journey through the infinite cosmic void. This ancient traveler hurtled through space at incredible speeds until it finally met Earth, burning fiercely as it pierced through our protective atmosphere in a spectacular display. Crashing into the desolate, icy tundra of the north, the meteorite buried itself deep within the permafrost, waiting for eons to be discovered by modern hands. Today, that same celestial rock is transported from the frozen wilderness into a state-of-the-art laboratory where its journey takes a dramatic and luxurious turn. Meet the Muonionalusta meteorite, a rare iron-nickel stone that carries the secrets of the early solar system within its rough, unyielding, and dark metallic exterior. Its surface tells a story of cosmic collisions and extreme temperatures, a raw material that is about to become the heart of a $50,000 masterpiece. In just a few moments, this rugged stone will be transformed into a breathtaking piece of wearable art, blending the ancient universe with the pinnacle of watchmaking. Witness the convergence of 4 billion years of history and elite craftsmanship as we create a timepiece that transcends the very boundaries of time and space. The process begins with a careful physical inspection, where an expert craftsman evaluates every inch of the meteorite to ensure it meets our rigorous luxury standards. Advanced three-dimensional laser scanning technology is employed to map the internal structure, searching for the most perfect crystal formations hidden deep within the solid iron. Precision is paramount at this stage, as even the smallest flaw could ruin the final watch case, making this initial analysis critical to our success today. On the digital screen, we can see a virtual representation of the rock, allowing our engineers to plan every cut with absolute mathematical and geometric certainty. We're looking for the most beautiful widmanstatten patterns, those unique intersecting lines that only form through millions of years of extremely slow cooling in space. Once the path is chosen, a diamond wire saw is prepared, ready to slice through the dense iron and nickel alloy that was forged in a star. Streams of coolant water are injected at high pressure, controlling the temperature and ensuring the metal doesn't warp or lose its precious molecular integrity during cutting. It is a slow and painstaking process, requiring hours of steady work to yield a single raw slab that will eventually become a luxury watch case components. The first raw slabs emerge from the machine, looking like simple gray steel, yet holding the incredible potential of a billions-year-old cosmic relic within. Every slab is measured down to the micron, as there is zero room for error when working with such an expensive and irreplaceable material from outer space. Only the finest sections are selected for the next phase of production, ensuring that each limited edition piece possesses the most striking visual appeal possible. Now the raw slabs enter the realm of high-precision engineering, where state-of-the-art 5-axis CNC machines take over the shaping process. A cold laser beam glowing in neon blue begins to trace the outline of the watch case, slicing through the dense metal with surgical and effortless accuracy. By using cold laser technology, we ensure that the heat doesn't damage the delicate crystal structure that has taken eons to form in the vacuum of space. This advanced technique allows us to maintain the soul of the material, preserving its history while giving it a modern and sophisticated functional form. The robotic arm maneuvers with grace, carving out the intricate lugs and mounting points that will eventually hold the movement and the luxury leather strap. Meteorite iron is notoriously brittle and difficult to work with, requiring specialized diamond tools and years of technical expertise to handle without causing fractures. A steady flow of coolant keeps the workspace stable, ensuring that the friction of the diamond bit doesn't overheat the precious extraterrestrial material. Slowly but surely, the rough slab is refined into a sleek watch housing, revealing the first hints of the metallic luster hidden beneath the surface. The complexity of the geometry requires the machine to move in every possible direction, creating the hollow space where the heart of the watch will live. Every stage of machining is followed by a manual check, where our technicians verify that the physical piece matches the digital blueprint perfectly. We demand absolute precision, measuring the dimensions down to the thousandth of a millimeter to ensure a perfect fit for the high complication movement inside. Even the tiniest imperfection is unacceptable in a timepiece of this caliber, as every sharp edge and curve must be flawless to the naked eye. The lugs are shaped with aggressive, sharp lines that give the watch a modern and bold character, contrasting with the ancient origin of the material. Before we can reveal the true beauty of the stone, the case must be deep cleaned in an ultrasonic bath to remove every trace of machining. Now, the case looks like ordinary high-grade steel, but the most magical step of the transformation is about to take place in our lab. We move into the chemical processing area, a sterile environment where the true soul of the meteorite is finally called forth and revealed to us. A special solution of nitric acid is prepared, mixed to a precise concentration that will react with the iron-nickel alloy in a very specific way. As the case is submerged, a chemical reaction begins, slowly eating away at the surface to reveal what nature has hidden for 4 billion years. The acid acts as a developer, highlighting the different rates of corrosion between the high nickel and low nickel crystals within the ancient space iron. In this mesmerizing time-lapse, we see the legendary widmanstatten pattern emerge, a geometric dance of lines that can never be replicated by human hands. These patterns are the result of the meteorite cooling by only a few degrees every million years while it floated through the vacuum of space.